Magandang umaga.
Maayong buntag.
Buenos dias.
I am Danica Dimple.
I'm Diana Jane,
I'm Daniel Rose.
and we are siblings from the Philippines. So, what we have just said is, it means good morning here in the Philippines. Those three dialects are Filipino, Chabacano, and Cebuano. So, I know we just said good morning, but in contrary to that, it is actually evening here where we live, and now, going to the point, ever wondered where when we were younger, we were always so close to our siblings, and when we grew up, well, we kind of drift apart from them. Well, it happens to everyone, and it happened to us as well. We argue a lot, and we no longer have a time for each other. So when that happens, there are just two things that always unites us or bond together, and that is our love for family and our love for music. Music really bonds us together, and it is really nice how music can bond people together, and I can very much compare that to teenhood and how it can bond people. Music had bond families, not only families actually, but everyone from different parts of the world, no matter how big the gap is. So I have seen how it had made relationship with siblings stronger, such as Common Sisters and Alabama Capital. And I really do wish someday me and my siblings could be so close to each other, and maybe we might as well be performing at Teenhood someday. So yeah, we would love to be part of Teenhood, be part 3.